everybody, I am so excited to show you this beautiful vanity dresser that I was gifted from the brand, so let's get straight to it.
So I absolutely love the look and design of this vanity dresser, and the coolest part is that this dresser can be rearranged into different arrangements to fit. This is the one that just fits for our house, but look at that wood texture. It is beautiful. And then I absolutely love the fluted designs here on the drawers as well as the metallic handles. Here on the dresser side, it does come with 6 different drawers, all of the same size. Here you can see just how easy it glides open as well as shut. And then here is how much space it can hold. I love that I can put my clothes in here as well as my hair supplies, making it the perfect storage option for my needs. I love that it has this storage shelving option, and so here I can set up all of my different hair supplies as well as my different beauty products and face products. A favorite part is that it has this tempered glass right here, and so all I have to do is look inside and I can see what I need and exactly where it's at. And then once again, these are drawers, and as you can see, they can open up really nicely as well as close, and they can hold a good amount of stuff. I definitely recommend getting like cute little organizer containers, making it even more fun. And then here it has nice rounded corners and then some steel legs, making it just extra durable and sturdy. And then it also comes with this plug-in, and that is what's going to control the mirror. It comes with this LED mirror, and it comes with a cool, natural, and warm light. And then you also can adjust the brightness so you can make it dimmer as well as making it more bright. I just love that it comes with this option, making it super easy and convenient when doing your makeup. I wanted to show you just a quick glimpse of me getting ready and just how convenient it is. I absolutely love all of the storage options with the drawers, but also it just has a large, nice tabletop, being able to store all of my supplies as well as some fun decorations. It's also super convenient because, like I mentioned, I can just keep all of my clothes here in the dresser and just go grab it. Anyways, I absolutely love the look and design of the natural wood with this as well as the fluted drawers. And so if you are looking for a vanity dresser, I definitely recommend this one.